Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Here we go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how was your day?
Good, ma'am.
How was it?
Good,
Come on,
ma'am.
guys. You all guys
Good,
have
ma'am.
to make the energetic answers from you guys. I need an energetic answer from you guys.
It was a good day, ma'am.
Yeah. Every one of you. I want to hear it from every one of you.
It was a good day, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys. No problem. So today I'll be giving you some tasks. Okay, you have to do those tasks. So suppose I'll give you a task. Okay, it's a role play between Saurav and Saurav and Anjali Kumari and Saurav. Okay, so Saurav, you should okay, just let me check what task should I give you, a hard one or an easy one, or what shall I give you? Today it's all about pronunciation, so I would like to share your announcement, a cabin crew announcement itself. Okay. I want you guys to correct your pronunciation. So most of you, see, it's not about cabin crew which I'm giving right now mm, to announce. Okay, just a normal announcement which I'm giving you all to read this paragraph because I want you to speak correct English to when you're going in front of the interviewer. Okay, you should impress them by with your communication skills, with your good pronunciation, with your correct pronunciation, the way you are talking to them. They should understand them. So I will tell all of you. I mean, I will select. Each one of you to read this. So, and now it is, what's your name? What's your name? Wait. Saurav, right?
Yes, ma'am. Saurabh.
Yeah, Saurav, can you please read this? Are you able to see? Are you able to
Yes,
see
ma'am. I
this
can see your screen.
announcement? Can you see this announcement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please read this announcement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please read this announcement, Saurav.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to
Just one
Seoul.
second, hold on, Saurav. I'll get a pen and I'll note it down, okay? Where all you need to improve, where all you need to correct. So all the mistakes and all the things that needs to be taken care of, I'll note it down. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director, your cabin crew, and here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning.
Okay. The next paragraph as well.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain. And the screen is changed.
Just 1 second. Yeah.
Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you.
Okay, Saurabh, your accent was really good. Voice and accent I would praise. Okay, it's really good. Only thing you have to take care of is that the way you are speaking now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the way you're speaking now, when you're speaking one word after another, you're taking a little longer gap. Okay, you shouldn't wait to read the other word. You can just be fluent. Like, my name is John Graham, and I'm your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. So this is the way you have to pronounce the words, and this is the way where you have to maintain the gap. Okay. Okay, when you guys most of you want to go for cabin crew, right? Like, because yesterday when I asked you in which department you want to go for, you replied as cabin crew. That is why I'm doing this announcement task. Do you all want to continue, or you want some other task?
Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
And am I audible today?
Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Okay. Okay. So that is this way you have to do the announcement. Okay. And when you're reading a sentence, try when there is any exclamation mark. Okay. So try to follow that exclamation mark as well as the full stop, as well as the comma. Okay. Do not pause in between. Pause only when there is a full stop. Okay, give expression only when there is an exclamation mark. Suppose if it's good morning, then you cannot say good morning. You cannot say like it. Good morning. You always have to, tell it in a joyful way. Tell it in a very, jolly way. Good morning. Hello, good morning. You have to say in that way, okay? So that the people whom you are wishing, they will feel warm, they will feel welcome, and they will really feel that you are wishing them, not for the sake of it. Because some people, what they do when they wish the other person, they do just for the sake of it, and the other person, they comes to know, that this person is just wishing me for the sake of it because it's her job. So when you're wishing good morning, you have to be very, in a bubbly kind of mood and jolly kind of mood, and then you can say, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this flight to Seoul. Seoul is a place. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. So you have to read in this way. And whenever you're speaking any word, try to open your mouth as much as possible, because this makes the words very clear and understandable to the other person who is standing next to you, or whoever you are talking to. Okay, so the next one to read is Alina George. Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read this announcement.
1 second.
Alina, raise your voice. Be happy. Okay, I want you to speak in a louder voice.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute whatever is playing in the background. Please mute whoever has played that. There is a sound. Yeah, please follow. Alina?
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this flight to Seoul. And the screen.
Sorry, yes.
Okay. My name is John Graham, and I'm your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board Korean Air Flight 9493 bound for Taipei. We are so sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few months, we will be screening a safety video about this aircraft.
Okay, Alina, everything was good. Okay, your MC was good, but what I noticed is that you were a little too fast. Okay, don't be so fast. Try to maintain, be neutral. Okay, guys, don't be too slow, don't be too fast. Read normally by maintaining all the, as I said, you have to take care of all those full stops and commas and everything. Wait, this is an announcement. You will be announcing it on board. If suppose you are a cabin crew tomorrow, you will be doing this announcement in front of everyone. So everyone should, you are portraying the image of that airline. When you are doing the announcement, you are the brand ambassadors because you are the one who will be in contact with the passengers for so long time, because other departments, they will just, the ticketing counter or the ground staff, they will be in contact with the passengers for a very short period of time, so they will never judge them. The one whom the passenger will judge, and this passenger, they will form an image of the airline by looking at the cabin crew. So if you want to be a cabin crew, you have to be very, very particular about your communication skills. It's very important because the way you communicate will make them think that how smart you are, how smart the company is, how knowledgeable you are, because that is the way they will get in touch to them. Okay, they will not see your degree, they will not see what you have done in your past experience or whatever. The way you are communicating to them, they will judge you in that way. Also, they will form a good image if you are communicating with them in a good manner. They will form a good image about the airline by seeing you, by looking at you, because you will be the one who will be in contact with the passengers for so long time. Okay, so once again, Alina, for you were eating the words inside your mouth. Okay, the words you spoke when you were speaking the words, the words were very short, like some words like welcome aboard. You were saying welcome aboard. You were just you just spoke, you just made that those two words very short. So please avoid that. Please try to speak each and every word very clearly, and so that it is understandable. Every time I'm repeating it should be understandable by the other person. Whatever message you want to deliver it to them, the other person should be able to get that message. So if you tell different. So that is refrain. Okay, you should always pronounce it fully, not different. You cannot pronounce it inside the mouth and eat the whole word and eat the whole meaning of the word. So that is one thing you have to take care. Alina, can you please once again read the announcement? Okay, if you want me to teach you, I can teach you line by line. Okay, just because I want you to speak the words correctly. Alina, please proceed.
Okay.
Yes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham and I'm your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are...
Slow, Alina, yeah. Please continue.
Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten
slow down.
Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments.
Yeah, it was very nice. Excellent. excellent and announcement you made. Only thing that was problem. I mean, I found it little. The thing in you is you were a little fast and you're reading words. But now, after correcting you, you got your point. You corrected your mistake. That is very nice. Well done, Alina. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Abdul. Abdul. Sorry, who is that? Okay, so the next one is Ashwin. Ashwin?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board this flight with your. My name is John Graham, and I am in flight service director. If your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight with your this morning.
Ashwin, you should not be so slow. Okay, you should not be so slow. You can learn from the teammates or from me also. Okay, just now how Alina spoke. Okay, did you hear Alina's announcement?
It's not
Yeah, you can read in that way. Okay, you can read it in a normal neutral tune. You should not be too slow or too fast. Okay, if you are too slow, I'll tell fast. If you're too fast, then I'll tell you to slow down. Got it? Yeah, continue. Yes, continue.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard for Air Flight 493 for FM. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the non-smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight
Really fast.
more
If there's anything we can do,
enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments, we will be screening a safety video about this aircraft.
okay, you were slower and you were fumbling in between. Okay, you are not fluent. You have to be little fluent when it comes to announcement, because announcement is something where people will have to understand and people will have to have it is something where people will get a confidence of trusting you, because if you're doing an announcement, it should be something with confidence. Lack of confidence is there in the announcement, in your announcement. Okay, so try to bring the confidence in you, try to bring the confidence while speaking. Okay, just practice in front of the mirror every day. Every day you stand in front of the mirror and practice in front of the mirror. This is the only thing I can do. I can suggest you. Other than that, try reading novels, try reading any book, okay, English book, watch English movies and listen to English songs, okay, for improving your speaking skills. Ashwin, again, I will get back to you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, she is not present. Avishna is not present. Avishna, I'll call out your name again. If you are not present, then I have to mark you as absent. The another one is Janvi. Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Janvi, I have a good expectation from you that you'll read the announcement very nicely.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please
May I
get that.
start?
Yeah, sure.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham, and I'm an in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and
Oh, yeah.
Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is any we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments,
Enough. Janvi, excellent announcement. I would give you
Thank you, ma'am.
4.7 out of 5. If I have to rate you out of 5, I'll give you 4.7. This 3 points why I'm reducing is because you are little fast. If you will be little slower, okay, like little slower, not too slow. Everything was pronounced correctly. You are fluent. The pause you are making, that was correct. Okay, the exclamation mark that was there, you followed that. Everything was followed. Just that you have to be little slow. Other than that, 4.7 out of 5.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. So the next person is Kushi. Kushi,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, please can you read the announcement?
Yes, may I start?
Yeah, sure.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments, we will be screening a safety video about this aircraft. You'll also find a safety briefing card in the seat pocket in front of you. We require that you give us your careful attention.
Very nice, Kushi. I heard you for the first time. I think yesterday you were not there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I heard you for the first time. This is the first time interaction with you, Kushi. It was really nice. Good job, Kushi. First attempt and first this thing. It was good. Nice. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nishan K. John.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Nishan, continue.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board Korean Air Flight 493, bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to save you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments, we will be screening a safety video about this aircraft. You will also find a safety briefing card in the seat pocket. In front, we require that you give us your careful attention.
Okay, still much more better than yesterday. Okay, much more better. But you have little, as I said, what was your name? Sorry?
Mishan.
Mishan, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Mishan. Okay, you have lots of MTI issues. Try to rectify it. When you are saying sol, you're saying sol. It is not sol. It is fuel. Okay, fuel. It is fuel. Okay, and you can. Okay, and other things. I forgot to mention the words now. Can you read the announcement once again for me?
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an...
Hello.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ma'am.
Wait. Yeah. Just one second. Yeah.
Okay. Can I start?
Yeah. Start.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director.
You can say John Graham rather than saying John Graham. Okay, so some words you need to literally spell and speak the whole word. Okay, sometimes you tend to spell it very faster. Do not make it so fast. Okay, you have enough
Okay,
time
ma'am.
to speak. You have enough time to speak. So try. When it is Graham, you speak it as Graham. Okay, do not eat the word and speak as Graham. Okay, so it is Graham. Graham. Okay. Yes. Please proceed.
Uh, Welcome on board this flight to Seoul. My name is John Graham and I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure.
Service director. Service director.
Okay, ma'am.
Not director.
Hmm.
Okay.
Director.
Yeah. Service director.
Okay, ma'am.
Flight service director.
My name is John.
Proceed. Proceed.
I can't read. Okay, ma'am. My name is John Graham and I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure.
Service director. Tell again.
Service director.
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 Yeah.
At the time.
Last R is a little kind of silent word, so you can just take it as service director. Okay?
Director. Okay, ma'am.
Director. Okay. Proceed.
Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei. We are sorry for the delay in your departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is a pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments, we will be screening a safety video about this aircraft. You will also find a safety briefing card in the seat pocket in front of you. We require that you give us
One more thing, Nishana, I would like to say, when you are saying, reading an announcement, while reading an announcement, you should always make sure that your voice is little, the pitch is little lower. Okay, low pitch,
Okay.
not too high, not too low, but a moderate pitch. Okay, it should always be moderate because you will be speaking in a mic. Okay, not without a mic. You will be saying it in front of a mic, and when you speak in front of a mic, suppose if you will speak it in a high tone, then it will not be clear to the passengers. They will feel that you are shouting to them. Okay, they will feel offended. I know that you are not shouting. Okay, but the passengers might feel that you are shouting at them. So whenever you are holding a mic and speaking, whenever you are reading an announcement, always make sure that your voice should be very, very moderate. Okay, very, very, very moderate. Not too low, not too high, but in between. Because if you speak in a low tone, that will show lack of confidence. If you speak in a high tone, high pitched voice, so that will show that you are shouting at them. So always try to speak in a moderate voice. Please continue.
Okay.
Okay. One second.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you please repeat after me, Nishan?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
The tune which I am saying, you have to follow that. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome on board this flight to Seoul.
Welcome on board this.
Yeah.
Welcome on board this flight to Seoul.
My name is John Graham.
My name is John Graham.
And I am your in-flight service director.
And I am your in-flight service director.
Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning.
Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei.
Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 493 bound for Taipei.
We are sorry for the delay in our departure.
We are sorry for the delay in our departure.
Please fasten your seatbelt
Please fasten your seatbelt
and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on.
and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on.
Okay, Nishan, I would expect you to read in the same way the rest of the paragraph. Can you?
Okay, ma'am, I'll try my best.
Sure.
From Captain Jackson and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments, we will be screening a safety video about this aircraft. You will also find a safety briefing card in the seat pocket in front of you. We require that you give us your careful attention.
We require,
We require, require,
re,
re,
choir,
choir,
qua,
choir,
yeah, require. Okay,
require, okay ma'am.
require,
We require,
yeah.
we require that you give us your careful attention.
Okay, Nishan, well done. Okay, and much improvement.
you.
I can see lots of improvement. Okay, I know you'll do great. We'll continue with you after some time. Okay, after,
Okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
okay, Naresh is not.
Hello.
You are there.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Can you
Hello.
please read this announcement?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight. So, my
No,
name
no.
is John Brown.
Naresh, not in that way. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this flight. See, if you speak in this way in an announcement, people will sleep. Okay, so
Okay.
I know you are a boy. Okay, but while reading announcement, you have to be little, like your tone should be in a way so that people will get an interest to listen to the other words you will be speaking, because it's an announcement. It should sound interesting. It should sound very attractive, because then only people will hear the important announcement. Otherwise, because the voice will not be to the people, they will tend to skip off the announcement. They will listen to music. They will put earplugs or earphones and they will listen to music. So to avoid that, you have to do the announcement in a very interesting way, in a very tone that is very attractive to the passengers. So, Naresh, you will be repeating with me, okay? Naresh?
Okay.
Naresh, should I?
Ma'am.
Yes. Naresh?
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
be repeating with me. This is
Ma'am.
important in the interview also. Okay, even if you will be a ground staff, you have to do announcement. Do you know that? Ground staff also have to do announcement. Are you guys aware
Okay.
of it? All of you? I'm asking all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ground staff has to do the announcement on ground. Cabin crew has to do the announcement in flight. Okay, in aviation, announcement is a very important role that has to be played everywhere, even in the corporate sectors of aviation, where all the management people, the flight dispatchers, the engineers sit in that office itself. This kind of things is very important, because every time you have to read some announcements. Every time in front of your team, you'll have a team, so in front of them you have to read the announcement. That point of time also, your announcement should sound flawless. Your announcement should sound very interesting, so that the person who is listening to you will not sleep. Okay, so yeah, Naresh, please repeat after me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to repeat after me, Naresh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome on board this flight to Seoul.
Welcome on board this flight, sir.
My name is John Graham and I am your in-flight service director.
My name is John Ram. I am your flight service director.
You are just speaking for the sake of it. You have to pronounce each and every word. Cannot leave the word. My name
My name
is John Graham.
is John Graham.
John Graham.
John Graham.
Graham.
John Graham.
And
I am
your in-flight service director.
in-flight service director.
Your cabin crew are here
Your cabin crew are here
to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning.
to ensure you have enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning.
Yeah, please read down the other two paragraphs.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Korean Air Flight 193 bound of Taipei. We are sorry the delay in your dispatch. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain your smoking when the no smoking sign is on.
Sorry. Just one second. Yeah.
From Captain Jackson and the crew, it's your pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let it know now. Thank you. In a few moments, we'll be seeing a safety video about this aircraft. You will also find your safety briefing pod.
Ramesh, where do you want to join in aviation? Which department you have the plan to join?
Tourism hospitality.
Tourism and hospitality. Ramesh, you have to really work on your pronunciation. Okay, when you're pronouncing your word, okay, try to pronounce it correctly. You do not have to rush. You do not have to, speak half of the word, eat half of the word inside your mouth, and then speak only a little bit of the word. You do not have to run. Please, little have patience while speaking the words. Again, I'm saying, when you are speaking any sentence, when you are speaking any pronouncing any words, you have to make sure that the words which you are speaking are clear to the other person. Okay, the words should be spoken fully. The word should not be eaten inside. Okay, the word is not for eating. The word is to be for speaking purpose, for the other person to understand the feelings inside you or whatever you're trying to express from the word. So Ramesh, you are totally missing. Your pronunciation is all over the place. You have to really take care of your pronunciation, Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Ramesh, now please read again after me. I will read and you have to read after me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
It is slow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Again, a little slower. I want your announcement to be perfect. Okay, Ramesh?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, you have to be. Okay, have to read after me now. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, much better. Much better. Okay, welcome on board this flight to Seoul.
Welcome on board this flight, Seoul.
Welcome on board this flight
Welcome on board this flight
to Seoul.
to Seoul.
My name is John Graham
My name is John Graham
and I am your in-flight service director.
and I am your in-flight service director.
Did I read like that? Was my accent like that? Were you hearing me? Were you following me or not, Ramesh? Did I read? And I'm
Okay.
your flight service director. Did I read in that tone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I was not reading in that tone. My tone was different. You were not following my tone. Have to follow my tone. Okay, follow me.
Okay. Okay.
And I am sorry. My name is John Graham, and I am your in-flight service director.
My name is John Graham and I am your Inside Service Director.
You are not your. You just say your.
Here.
And I'm your. You say your. Speak that word, Ramesh.
Okay.
Your. Ramesh, you have to
Yeah.
speak that word. You do not have to speak as your. Okay, it is your. There is no W in this Y-O-U-R. There is no
Your.
W in this.
Sorry.
Your.
Your.
Your. And I am your in-flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Yeah. Say that sentence.
And I am your Inside Service Director. Your cabin crew and here ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning.
Ramesh, you have not pronounced the word to also. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Seoul this morning. Read
Your
again.
cabin crew,
Your cabin crew are here,
your cabin crew are here,
are here,
all here, are
to ensure
to ensure
you have an enjoyable flight.
you have an enjoyable flight.
You have an enjoyable flight.
You have an enjoyable flight. Starting with me.
Okay, Naresh, it's fine. You try to practice. Guys, would you like to have a 5-10 minutes break?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's get back at now. It is 15:02, so we'll take an 8-minute break. We'll be back at 15:10. Is it that fine? 3:10?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 8 minutes break. Okay. Every one of you are looking very nice. Miss George, I would like to tell you to you should be little groom, okay? Okay, the scarf you're wearing, is it a salwar scarf? Miss George? Okay. Do you have a t-shirt or something like that rather than wearing a scarf or salwar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can wear that from your next class, okay? Because this is an aviation class. I want you all to be prepared so that you will get habituated to the aviation culture and it will help you in the interviews and all, okay? So please get used to a t-shirt or a polo t-shirt might be. Miss Sona, you are very well groomed, okay? Very nice. Nice to see you, Miss Sona. Okay, nice class. Nice bunch of people I have got. Good to see you all guys. Umrah? Yeah. Okay. So now I will make a team, like I will segregate all of you in two teams. I mean 3 of you will be, not 3, 4 of you. You have to show me your team working skills. Okay, I need some of the team working skills. So it will be kind of breakout rooms that I will be segregating you to. So 4 person in each breakout room. first breakout, just remember the breakout rooms number, okay? So it will be first, second, third, fourth, like that. So in first breakout room, that will be Alina George, Alina Jensen, Anjali Kumari, and Ankita Kumari, okay? First breakout room. Did you guys noted it down? First breakout room. People?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I want to see all of you. And second breakout room will be Ashwin Ashok, Ashwin Nandu, Janvi Tiwari, and Miss George. Okay, so this is the second breakout room. The third breakout room will be, and third breakout room there will be Naresh, Kushi, Nishan, and Rohan. Okay? Are you noting it down, the breakout room numbers, people, whatever I'm assigning you to? Noting it down, right? Say yes or no, or note your head. Okay. So, this was the third one I was saying, or the fourth one? Third one, no?
Third one, ma'am.
Okay, so the fourth one, Saurav Kamdi, Celsia D. Sylvia, Shilka Sheljan. Okay, that will be the fourth one. Fifth breakout room, Sona KP, Sumita S, Teresa Shine, Umra. That is the fifth one. And sixth one, Varsansri, Veena Krishna, and Yadhu Srini. Okay, so I'll give a task for each breakout room. So as you know, you are a team. One breakout room is one team. For second breakout room will be one team. Third breakout room will be another team. So it is like that. So each breakout room, I will give you a task. You have to do the team which will perform the best will win the task. Okay, so what you have to do is, suppose you have to tell me any scenario. All of you have to act on any scenario. Okay, you decide among yourself. You guys have to act any scenario. Will it be difficult for you guys? So first breakout room, now it's your turn. Okay, it's your turn. First breakout room, you have to act on a scenario wherein there are two passengers and there are two cabin crews. Okay, so how will you behave with the passenger? You have to show me. Suppose if you are selling something on that phase of flight, suppose you are welcoming the guest in that phase of flight, but how you will interact with the guest, how will interact with the passenger. Two of you can act as passenger, two of you can act as cabin crew. Okay, first breakout room, can you please start? You can discuss here, you can discuss, okay, there is no issues at all. Discussion is fine with me. So first breakout room, four of you guys, can you please start? Please start. Alina, start. What you want to become, a passenger or a crew?
I'll be a crew, ma'am.
Alina, I was asking Alina Jensen. Okay, Alina George replied, no problem. Okay, Alina George, what will you become?
I'll be a cabin crew, ma'am.
No, George. Okay, Jensen. Alina Jensen.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you become, a crew or a passenger?
Crew. Cabin crew.
Crew. Okay, so both the Alinas will be crew. Okay. Alina's crew. Okay. Okay, so the other Kumaris, there are two Kumaris in this group. So the Kumaris will be the customers and the Alinas will be the crew. Okay, it will be great. Yeah, you guys can discuss, okay, how will you interact, both of you, how will you interact with these two, Alina. Okay, Alina, I'm telling both of you, how will you interact with the guest, how will you welcome him while he is on board, how will you impress him. You both can discuss and you can show me a scenario where you're interacting with the guest.
Okay, we should discuss, right?
Yeah, you can discuss, both of you. Also, the Kumaris, can I please get a response from both the Kumaris?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, am I audible to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please start. Start discussing so that you can next. Okay, I am giving you 5 minutes of time. So I'll ask you to perform at now it is 3:22. Okay, 23, 24 minutes. I'll ask you to perform at 3:26.
Okay. Alina, are you there?
Yes. Alina, switch on your video, please, Jensen. Miss Jensen. I want to see you.
Yes. I think we should welcome them to say good morning, ma'am. How's your day going? And welcome to our airline. Something like that. Is that okay? I don't know.
What can I? Firstly, I greet you.
So you can act it as a funny situation, okay? Suppose you are a first-time flyer. Suppose Anjali, I'm just telling a scenario. Suppose Anjali and Ankita are a first-time flyer. So they don't know much about the flight. So this Alina Jensen and Miss George and Jensen. So you both can welcome them. You can assist them, to find their seat. You can assist them to while they are carrying heavy baggage. So you will assist them in their baggage as well. You'll assist them in finding their seat. You'll welcome them. Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? You can just ask them, what is, may I have a look at your boarding card? So you can check the boarding card. See if it's seat, whatever the seat number is mentioned, you can just check the seat number. Okay, so you can show her the seat number, ma'am, that is your seat. Okay, just go in the 5th row and towards the aisle you will get a seat. You can just assist her in that way. If then also they are not able to understand, then you can tell them, ma'am, would you like me to assist you to your seat? Okay, then if she knows her head or she'll give any kind of signs, because she's a first time flyer, so she might not know how to speak in English. So you, for her better understanding, you might speak in Hindi. Okay, you can use that language Hindi, because Hindi and English is very important in domestic flight. So might be Anjali and Ankita, one of you can speak in Hindi. Ma'am, आपको हिंदी आती है? You can ask her like that. Sorry, Alina, one of Alina. Okay, so if Anjali and Ankita, so they will say, हाँ हमें हिंदी आती है. Then in Hindi you can assist her to her seat. So that way, that is a small scenario I am telling you about. You can just you can either tell that or any other scenarios. Example of interacting with guests. Come on. See, time is already up. Now you have to perform. Okay. Comment time. Start. Both of you start. Welcome.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our airlines. How's your day going?
Kindly do an ASEAN greeting. ASEAN greeting means you have to join your hands. Okay, place it not exactly in on the chest, but little bit. Okay, ASEAN greeting is little above the chest. ASEAN greeting means namaste. Okay, do namaste greeting and just.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, you know how to do a namaste greeting, right? I know you will help me to show Anjali and Alina how to do a namaste greeting.
Okay. Ma'am, but I'm holding my phone in one hand, so how can do that?
I'm not able. Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you know how to do a namaste greeting, right?
No, ma'am, but I will try.
Yeah, that's like that's the good spirit. Yeah, try.
It's like this only, I think.
Yeah. That is the perfect. Yeah, that is a namaste. That is an ASEAN greeting. Now you guys know what is a namaste greeting. Okay, so you have to. Janvi, please do that position. Hold on to that position once again. Okay, just nod your head and say good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Or you can say welcome on board.
Welcome on board.
Yeah, you can say like that. So whenever a passenger enters a flight, you just have to wish them in the same way how she is showing. Alina and Miss Jensen. So I would like you both to watch Miss Janvi. Once again, Janvi, can you do it for them?
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome on board.
Yeah, kindly both of you just do this, and Anjali and Ankita will act as a passenger now. Please
Ma'am,
do continue.
Ma'am, I'm holding phone in one hand.
Sorry? Sorry?
I'm holding my phone in one hand. So
You're falling.
Okay.
I'm not using a laptop, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second, Alina. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, please continue. Now, okay, I gave you so much of hint. I already kind of told you all the situation and all the roles that you have to perform. Now I want Miss Jensen and Miss George to perform. Alina, George, you can do one thing. You can place the phone in stand or anything that has a height. You can just lean the phone down, and you don't have to hold it all the time. Just leave it. Yes. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Passengers are boarding. Anjali Kumari and Ankita Kumari is doing boarding, getting inside the aircraft. Okay. Alina Jensen and Alina George are waiting right in front of the doors of the aircraft. Okay. They are welcoming passengers. Please start, Alina and Miss Jensen and George. Come. Please start.
Namaste, ma'am. Welcome on board.
Namaste, ma'am. Welcome on board. Who is the one who is telling again? Who is the one who is giving reply? Namaste, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Both of you are saying. Okay. Yeah. Continue. Please continue.
I think we'll do it together.
Yeah. Together you do.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am. Welcome on board.
How's the day going?
Sorry?
How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Can I help you to find your seats?
Yes, you.
Yes. Okay.
Tell them क्या बोल रहे हैं मैम मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है अंकिता you have to act like a normal passenger okay you just tell her that you don't know English you know only Hindi
Oh,
you have to learn Hindi you both yeah Ankita
Hindi.
okay. Can you understand Hindi?
I can, but I can't reply.
Okay. क्या आप लोग बोलने में मदद करेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
you have luggages also Ankita you have luggages also with you
Yes, ma'am.
yeah so
Ma'am,
what
can
you
I
gonna do
have luggages?
yeah Miss George it was good can you please repeat once again
Ma'am, can I help you with your luggages?
Excellent.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. The big ones go in, I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You tried at least, Alina. So at last, after finding them, after you find them the script, you can just add thank this message, like, ma'am, anything there that I can assist you with? Anything else you want me to assist you with? You can just tell them that line, or you can just ask her, ma'am, are you comfortable now? Okay, may I leave? If you need any other assistance, you can kindly press the call bell and let me know, or let any of the cabin crew know. You can just add these kind of sentences while leaving the passenger. Okay, once you help one passenger, once you interact with one passenger, after interacting with the passenger, you have to end with a good line. Okay, a good interaction is only when you add the and you end the conversation with a good line. So you may just ask them, you may just tell the passenger that, ma'am, anything there that I may assist you with? Okay, if she will tell yes or no, or suppose she is telling yes, then you can ask, ma'am, may I know how to where can I assist you with? You can ask the question like that. Okay, so if that is also done, okay, you have assisted everything, assisted in all the problems she had. At last, you can ask her, ma'am, if anything else you want, you can just press the call bell and let us know. You can just add that sentence and you can leave from that place. Okay, got it, people? Okay, the second breakout room. Who all were there? Huh? Who all were there in the second breakout room?
I was there.
I was
Yeah. So guys, the one who were in the second breakout room, I want you to, okay, if I guess, it is Ashwin, Janvi, George and Naresh, right? Isn't it? Second breakout room? Isn't it?
No, ma'am. Naresh is third breakout room.
Sorry?
Naresh was in third breakout room.
No, the second breakout room I divided, no, some people. So those were in the, huh?
One is Ashwin and one is Ashwin.
Naresh and George and Janvi, right?
Naresh was not there in the second breakout room.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ashwin, Janvi, George. Okay, Khushi.
Khushi is in third breakout room.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who was there in the second breakout room? Who is there in the second breakout room? Who is there in the second breakout room? Please kindly identify by yourself.
Janvi Tiwari, Ashwin Nandu, Ashwin Ashok, and
Okay, yes, Ashwin Nandu, Ashwin Ashok, yeah. Okay, Ashwin Ashok, is he there with us?
Ma'am, I think he left.
Yeah, he left. I can't see his name. So either Khushi or either Naresh can join the second breakout room. Which one of you would like to join the second breakout room? Khushi?
Join.
Khushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just start.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, I can join.
okay, same way, different scenario, 2 cabin crew and 2 passengers. Okay, different scenario. Baby is crying on board. You are seeing,
Because they have like 2 passengers and 2 cabin crew.
sorry, who is that?
No, ma'am, I
George?
was saying if we have 2 cabin crew and 2 passengers, there is a crosstalk
During the play. Can we have like 2 conversations or 2 scenarios? Like one
passenger, and in second scenario, 1 cabin crew and 1 passenger.
Okay, done. That is also good. Okay, okay, as you wish. Yeah, start. You can have time. Okay, 5 minutes of time. We are running out of time. 5 minutes of time. You can take a
Who all
scenario.
are the group members?
Janvi, George, and Ashwin Nandu. So any two of like whatever, however you are comfortable, you can just do the discussion in 5 minutes of time, then perform.
We can have one scenario wherein a cabin crew is asking the passenger for the lunch or any meals and have a discussion over it, what would they like to have, and we can discuss over the vegetarian meals or the non-vegetarian meals or the specific beverages we have. And the
Okay.
second we can have we can have of the time when the flight is about to land and we explaining one of the passenger not to get up and stay seated. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah. Fine.
So like group members, who do you want to perform? Like, I can take the part of the cabin crew talking about lunch, course and the meals.
Okay. Good initiative, Khushi. Very good initiative. Nice. That I really like that the way you are taking initiative, the way you are sharing your idea. It's really good. Very nice. Good job. So
So Ashwin, what role would you like to play?
I think Janvi was saying something. Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am, I was saying that for the second scenario, I will be the cabin crew.
Okay, Janvi.
So all are the passengers? No replies.
I think George and Ashwin, Miss George and Mr. Ashwin is the passenger. So Miss George, can you be the passenger for Miss Khushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please continue. Khushi, you can continue.
So this is the scenario wherein we are talking about the lunch. So you are the passenger, I am the cabin crew. So I am starting up. Good afternoon, ma'am. Is there anything would you like to have for lunch today? Both veg and non-vegetarian meals. You can choose your favorite meal under your seat pocket.
Sorry, I can't hear.
Was I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Janvi. Miss George, where are you? Miss George? Miss George? I think she left. Okay, Ashwin, can you continue? Okay, Ashwin. Okay, Miss George joined again. Yes, Miss George, please proceed, both of you. Khushi and George, please proceed.
Should I start again, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible.
Good afternoon, vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. You can select your favorite beverage item in your main course from the in-flight menu kept under your seat pocket.
Okay, George, Miss George, she's asking, you are the passenger. Okay, you are seated on your seat, and Miss Khushi is asking you if you want to have a meal or a lunch. Okay, anything you want to select, you can select it from the menu kept in the seat pocket in front of you. She mentioned that. So you can have a look at the menu card and you can let her know what you want to have. Okay, you can just add that you are looking at a menu card and you can just tell any meal name you can tell it to Miss Khushi.
Can I have veg meal?
Yes, in veg meal you have the options for sandwiches and chapati. What would you like to choose?
Chapati.
Alright, ma'am. Would you like to have any beverages along with that?
No.
We have the option for tea, coffee, and fresh juice.
Coffee.
Alright, ma'am. That will cost a total of 500 rupees. Is there anything else you need?
No, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Miss Khushi, it was a very good performance. Okay, it was an outstanding performance, I can say, because you, were you in hotel industry or were you in some other industry before? Do you have any experiences?
I'm a
Okay.
psychology student and actually want to take up this course as an internship because I want to do a research on passenger psychology.
Okay, so sorry. Can you repeat yourself once again?
I'm a psychology student, bachelor student. I'm at third year right now, and I want to
Okay.
take up this aviation course for a short duration of time, for maybe 6 months.
Sorry.
I want to perform passenger psychology and the psychology of the management. I want to perform a research on passenger psychology, which I'll be again joining my master's in psychology.
Oh, great. Excellent performance, and the this thing you were using, the phrases you were using were very nice. Okay. You also asked her that you have beverages along with you offered beverages. That was an excellent thing. You yourself was telling about the bill because most of the times like I was an ex-cabin crew. Okay, I was an ex-cabin crew, so even I used to forget to tell passengers that it will cost money. Sometimes I used to pay it from my pocket itself because I used to forget. Okay, very good that you remembered about the money thing. Okay, very nice performance. Good, well done. Okay, the other two.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I do have a doubt. For the landing one, we do announcement now that in Hindi and English
Yes,
to
yes,
secure the cab. So I'm supposed to do the announcement.
yes.
Okay. In Hindi and English both.
Yes. Both you can do. Both is done. Every time you do an announcement, every time both are mandatory. Okay, even on some safety announcement you can either do sometimes in English, but mostly Hindi and English. It's very important to do the announcement. I mean, in both the languages, mandatory.
Okay. So may I start?
Yeah, start Janvi.
देवियों और सज्जनों, बेंगलुरु केम्पुगारा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे में आपका स्वागत है। आपकी सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपसे निवेदन है कि आप सभी अपनी सीट की पेटी को बांधे रखें। अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। सामान कक्ष को खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें। आपसे निवेदन है कि विमान से निकलने से पहले अपने ओवरहेड डिब्बों की जांच कर लें ताकि आपका कोई भी जरूरी सामान जैसे कि फोन, वॉलेट या पासपोर्ट विमान में न रह जाए। एयर एशिया के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आपका दिन सुखद रहे। Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Kempugara International Airport, Bangalore. We request you to please remain seated and now using of mobile phone is permitted. Kindly check your overhead bin after seat for your necessary items such as passport, electronic gadgets, etc. Kindly make sure you have all your belongings with you. It was pleasure having you boarding with us. We hope to see you again. Thank you for having.
Yeah, thank you for flying.
Thank you for flying with Air Asia. Have a great day ahead.
Very nice, Janvi.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really very nice. I was an employee of I'm an ex-Air Asia. So when you were telling the announcement, I was like, how do you know that announcement? How do you know that announcement, by the way, Janvi?
Ma'am, when we are having classes, so we have to do the announcement like every Monday. So I have searched in Google. That's why I got there.
Okay. Very nice. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll rate you 5 out of 5 for the announcement. Well said announcement, because in Air Asia, there are so many people who doesn't know how to do an announcement. You being a fresher, you have done a great job. Yeah, the other
Thank
one
you, ma'am.
is Ashwin. So what is so you are doing the announcement. So after doing the announcement, you want to do any role play, or it's just the announcement you wanted to do, Janvi?
Ma'am, I can do the role play also, like when the passenger are leaving, so we greet them That's kind of do.
Okay, that's enough. Your announcement won my heart. Very good announcement.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not able to switch on my video because I am not in my home right now. That is the reason I am not switching on my video. I apologize for that. Okay, please don't mind, all of you.
Yeah, ma'am, no problem.
So the other one, the other group, third group. So who were there in the third group? Can you please identify yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Mishan. Okay, this is Mishan.
Yeah, I am.
How old are you? Okay, Mishan, how old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, you're very young.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very cute girl.
Last year I went for IELTS coaching.
For?
IELTS.
Sorry?
IELTS coaching. IELTS
Oh,
for
IELTS.
abroad.
Oh, yes, IELTS. Okay. So why didn't you continue that? Should have continued.
Because
no?
I dropped because of some loan issues. I dropped my plan.
Okay. But you, even if now you are very young, you can still plan. You can still plan to studying. Studying is not a bad option. You can still,
Yeah,
plan.
I'm doing a bachelor in economics, distant degree.
Okay, great.
Thank you, ma'am.
And who are there with you, Mishan?
I don't know, ma'am. I noted Gushi, but she joined the second grade, so I don't know the answer.
I think Saurav Kamdi is there. Saurav?
Yes, ma'am. I was in the fourth group, I think.
Okay, you perform in the third group. And Celsia? Where is Miss Celsia? Celsia is not there anymore. Okay, Miss Sona, are you there? Okay, no problem. Okay, Sona is there. Miss Saurav is also there. Mishan is also there. Teresa? Okay, Teresa, can you please switch on your video? Yeah, Teresa. Okay, 4 of you are in group 3. Okay, breakout room 3. So you guys decide how many passengers and how many crew you want to be in your group. Accordingly, you can just proceed.
Hello?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, Celsia, right?
Yes, ma'am. I was speaking, but if you couldn't hear me, so I just restarted again.
Okay, no problem. Celsia, can you please switch on your video?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah. Celsia, you can join the breakout room 4. Okay, now I have already assigned these 3. So if any one of you, Teresa or Sona or Saurabh or Nissan, does any one of you want to back out and try it later, because Celsia was in group 3, I guess she came online. So any one of you want to perform later?
I have to.
You have to perform later?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Celsia, Mishan, Saurabh and Sona. Okay, we just have, see, it's already about to be 4, so we'll extend it till 5 minutes. Can you please, guys, do a role play on a situation of cabin crew and passenger? Okay, how to interact, a good interaction between
Any situation, ma'am?
Any situation.
Ma'am,
But
I
it
would
should
like
be.
to do the captain's announcement.
You want to do a captain's announcement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Sona?
Anything will do, ma'am. Cabin
what
crew
about
maybe.
cabin crew? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What about Nishan?
Anything, ma'am. I can do the passengers also.
Okay, passenger. Okay, one is captain, one is cabin crew, one is passenger. Fine. Good enough. Okay, captain can start first. After that, you both decide. Okay, you both decide what you gonna be doing. You both, Celsia and Nissan. Okay, captain is doing announcement now. Yes, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is your captain speaking. First, I would like to welcome everyone on right wing flight 86A3. Just a minute, I'm just trying to Google it.
Okay, okay. Take your time, no problem.
Yes, I got it.
Hmm.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is your captain speaking. First, I would like to welcome everyone on right wing flight 86A. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 33,000 feet at an airspeed of 400 miles per hour. The time is 1 o'clock 25. The weather looks good, and with the tailwind on our side, we are expecting to land in London approximately 15 minutes on schedule. The weather in London is clear and sunny, with a high of 25 degrees for this afternoon. If the weather cooperates, we would get a great view of the city as we descend. The cabin crew will come around in about 20 minutes time to offer you a light snack and beverage, and the in-flight movie will begin shortly after that. I'll talk to you again before we reach our destination. Until then, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight. Thank you.
Good announcement. Good announcement, sort of. The announcement was really nice, but in between, I think because of network issues, you had to a little bit stop, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That was a network issue, yeah. So other than that, everything was good. A very good voice. The voice modulation was really nice because it was moderate, not slow, not fast. Very nice announcement. I really appreciate. Really appreciate. Okay. So Celsia and Mishan, what scenario would you like to portray? Do you need time to think, and do you need then want to do a role play on any interaction, or what would you like to do?
Ma'am, I'll do the flight announcement.
You will also do the announcement. Okay, start.
Yeah, ma'am. नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों, नई दिल्ली की इंदिरा गांधी हवाई अड्डे में आपका स्वागत है। कृपया आपकी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और विमान के पूरे तरह रुक जाने तक अपने स्थान पर बने रहें। अपने सुरक्षा के लिए मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग न करें। ऊपरी सामान कक्ष खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें। आशा है कि आपकी यात्रा सुखद रहे। हमारे साथ यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद। Announcement in English. Good afternoon, passengers. This is a pre-boarding announcement for flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin the boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes of time. Thank you.
Okay, Mishan.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have any idea about announcement.
Okay, Mishan, that's fine. Okay, I think you guys have classes till 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one thing, okay, I'll give you an assignment for tomorrow. Each one of you have to do a recording, okay, recording of your voice. Okay, I want to know which all words you have to. Each one of you are having so many issues. I have noticed many of the mistakes, okay, while you speak, okay. So pronunciation issues, some have the MTI mother tongue influence and all those issues. So I would like all of you to do a recording of speaking about your hometown. Okay, you should speak minimum 7-8 lines about your hometown. Okay, you have to make a paragraph about your hometown and do a recording. And tomorrow you have to submit me that recording. Okay, on the class itself, while we are on the class, I'll share you the link where you have to share it. Okay, at that point of time itself, you have to send me that recording. Is it fine with you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, remember 7 to 8 lines. I want it in the paragraph of your hometown. Okay, you have to speak in English, not in any other languages. Okay. One thing you do both the languages, Hindi and English, both you do, because both are very important. Also in Hindi, also in English. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys. Anything you want to share with me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, how is your number saved in the group? By what name?
It is saved by the name Tanfi, I guess. Is it not there by name Tanfi?
Ma'am, I'll just
Yeah.
have a look.
Yeah. Okay. I'll tell Miss Rubia to add me there. Okay. Meanwhile, you guys just prepare the videos. Okay. I think I'll try to tell Miss Rubia to add me in that group. Okay. But before the training session, I want your videos to be ready so that in the training after I send you the link, you can forward me the recording. Is it okay?
Ma'am, it has to be video or audio.
Audio. Sorry, not video, audio.
That will be the announcement, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah, the announcement. No, not announcement. That will be that will not be the announcement. That will be a paragraph about your hometown, where you have to speak about your hometown. Okay, the tourist attraction about your hometown, the food. Okay, the staple food of your hometown. Okay, any traditional, any cultural thing about your hometown. Okay,
Yes.
why it is famous for anything like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Then goodbye, all of you. Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you,
a
ma'am.
great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
You all have a good day too. Nice to take a class. To all of you, it was a great time with all of you.